Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're showing you what to do if your Microsoft Surface Pro 12 isn't turning on. So in most cases, this is caused by your device simply being discharged. And to charge it, you either have to use the original charging port on the right side of the device, or you can also use the other two USB-C ports on the left edge to charge it using a substitute charger. Just make sure that your charging brick has at least 40 W of capacity, because if you use one that can provide your device with less than that, then your device will not be charging. And you should also replug your charging cable into the outlet, because this device is sometimes unresponsive to external chargers. And after that, just short press the power button to launch your device. If it's not working, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your tablet. And you can do this by preparing a recovery media for your device. I explained how to do this in our separate video, which is titled How to Install Windows 11 on this device. And so, once you have prepared a recovery media, you have to insert your USB flash drive with it into one of the USB-C ports on the left edge, and then turn on your device by holding down the volume down button and short pressing the power button. Then you have to keep holding down the volume down button until you see the loading circle on your screen. And after that, you'll end up in the recovery mode where you're going to have to perform the factory reset operation. And if this doesn't work for you, then definitely reach out to Microsoft Support Service and tell them about this issue. Most probably, you will have to get your device repaired or returned by warranty. Now if you don't have a recovery media inserted in your device, holding down the volume down button by itself will not do anything, and normally will just get you to your system. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, give us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.